This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Destination 40BHTS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 40 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stovetop burner, LP detector, oven, external shower, slide-out, skylight, water heater, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Catalina Destination 40BHTS is 9,669 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.